Hello again, this is Blue Island Public Library with part 4 in a series of short videos where we learn how to use spreadsheets. Today's topic is formatting values as dates in spreadsheets. The course outline that accompanies this video has links to all of the videos in this series, as well as other resources. You can find a link to the entire course outline in the description below. Also, please note, there are many different spreadsheet programs depending on what computer system you use. The topics in this video will be about general spreadsheet features and should apply to all programs. In today's lesson, we will explore different date formats. We will learn how to change from one date format to another, how a program calculates a date, how to use that to write formulas using dates, and finally, we will learn how to use the today function. At the end of this lesson, we will apply what we've learned in an activity that you can do from home. Spreadsheet programs can display dates in many different ways, depending on your needs and grammatical standards. These are just some of the different formats recognized by spreadsheets. When you enter a date in a cell, the program will try to identify the format you are using and match it. However, this process is not perfect, so you may need to manually set the format that you need. Let's quickly review how to change date formats. I have my spreadsheet open here, and as you can see, I have a table with different information. One of the columns is birthday. Right now, this column is formatted in the default date mode. I would like to change it to the extended mode. This would correctly display the full name of the week, the full name of the month, the day, and the full year. To do this, first select the entire column by clicking once on the column letter. Then, under the Format menu, select Number. Then, at the very bottom, select More Formats, and then More Date and Time Formats. A window will appear with Custom Date and Time Formats. This is a list of common formats that you can use. If you find the format that you want in this list, simply select it and click Apply. If you don't see the format that you want, you can customize a format using this box. The format that we want is on this list already, so I will just select it. You'll notice that all the dates change to the new format we've selected. Now that we know how to change formats, let's talk about how dates are viewed in spreadsheets. In order for computers to understand the concept of time as we know it, they have to have a reference point. As far as the computer is concerned, every date is simply so many days before or after one specific date set by the programmers. In this program, that date is December 30th, 1899. We do it this way because a computer would not understand the concept of Wednesday or week. Following this rule, that would mean that day 1 is December 31st, 1899. And January 1st, 1900 is day 2, and so on. This allows us to do several calculations using dates that we normally would not be able to do. For example, we can take today's date and add 7, and the computer will return the date a week from now. The spreadsheet software uses the computer's clock to figure out what day and time it is. You can easily display the date by using the Today function. Let's learn how to write the Today function and calculate some different dates. Here we have our old document. I want to add today's date in the G column. Please note, this formula changes as the date changes, so if you come back tomorrow, this column will display tomorrow's date. Okay, so all formulas or functions start with an equal sign. So we type equals, and the word today, T-O-D-A-Y, open and close parentheses, then hit enter. You'll see that today's date is displayed. Well, this is cool, but it really doesn't do much without a calculation. I mean, there are easier ways to find today's date. So we want to take this one step further and calculate a date in the future. Let's say we need to know what date it will be 100 days from today. In the next cell, we type equals. We reference the cell G2 by typing G2, or we can simply click on G2. Then we type plus, then 100 for 100 days. And enter. And there we go. This is the date 100 days from now. Now that we have a good grasp of the basics, I'll give you some homework to do. In your spreadsheet program, I'll have you do two things. The first, using what we learned today, find out what day of the week you were born. The second is a bit more advanced. Find out exactly how many days you have lived so far. Feel free to post your answers in the comments below. That's it for today's lesson. Today we learned about different date formats, how to change between different formats, how a computer calculates a date, how to write formulas using dates, and we learned about the today function. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell. If you would like to learn more about Blue Island Public Library, please visit our website at blueislandlibrary.org. Be sure to also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for the latest programs and events.